Hey, this is Richard's Reviews. We're doing an unboxing. I picked this up just today. There was only 2 left. Me and my buddy picked up the MegaMan headphones, limited headphones. They were 30 bucks at Fry's. Not super cheap, but not super expensive. So you see they're limited edition. I don't see Capcom anywhere, but there's a lot of superior audio performance information. I've been told they're not very good. But I got them anyways because it's cool. So here's the packaging. Comes with adjustable headset that lights up, I believe, an LED. And has some instructions. I know this is the certificate of authenticity. I don't know why it's crushed in here. They should have laid it out nice and clean. Mine is number something 1,108. Here's the wires. One to charge, one to listen to, plug in and hear it. I guess we could plug it in and listen to it real quick. It won't be mint anymore, but that's okay. It has LED mode, which doesn't do anything right now. Oh, it does light up. What do you know? It has a couple settings, I guess. Okay. Guess my buddies just didn't turn on. Okay, we'll give it a listen real quick. There's 2 wires, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Where's the pluggy thing for it? There it is. Okay. It says it does noise cancellation. I'm not sure how. I don't know if that messes with it. Oh, I can't play music while I'm recording. What do you know? That's a good point. I don't need anything to plug it down into. Let's see. Maybe this has some music in it. Are the audio quality's, yeah, questionable. Where's my audio? It's at the top here. Okay. Why did that turn on? I pressed power, exited. So there's something going on with that. Do I have music? Oh, I do have some music. Where's the volume? Don't know if you can hear it. What the heck happened? Yeah, it's pretty weak sauce. They just look cool. Okay, as you can see, that's the test. There's an on and off for it. You can do the DVD. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.